Hello and welcome. My name is Chef Charles Park. Today I'll demonstrate for you how to make one of the 5 mother sauces, Hollandaise. Let's begin with our mise en place. We're going to start with a reduction of shallots, white wine, and peppercorns, 3 egg yolks. We're going to put them in a double boiler and whip them until they become foamy. We want a custard-like consistency. We'll know that this is done once we can see the bottom of the bowl. A couple other sauces that can be made from Hollandaise, some of its derivatives are sauce Bernaise, the introduction of tarragon reduction, sauce Chiron, tarragon and tomato paste, sauce Goyot, that would be demi-glace and Hollandaise, sauce Maltaise, blood orange juice, sauce Beauvoir, which is cream and horseradish, sauce Dijon mustard of course, sauce Mousseline, whipped chantilly cream, no sugar, and sauce Noisette, which would be using brown butter. As you can see here in the double boiler, the eggs are starting to froth up and become custard-like. We're almost to the point where we can see the bottom. Right about this stage, I'm going to take it off and whip the rest of the heat out of the Hollandaise. At this point, I'm going to incorporate my butter. We could use any kind of fat to make Hollandaise or an emulsification sauce like this, but we're going to use butter. Okay? The important part about butter you need to know is the clarified part, the fat, will thicken the sauce as I will demonstrate right now. As I drizzle in the fat, the sauce tends to thicken. As I put in more fat, it thickens further. As you're drizzling in the fat, be careful not to separate your sauce. The optimum temperature for Hollandaise is around 110 to 130 degrees. Now to thin the sauce and add flavor, I can add the butter solids, as I will demonstrate. As you can see, as I add them, the sauce is thinned. To thicken it back, we will just incorporate more butter. For each egg yolk in the Hollandaise recipe, you can incorporate up to 4 ounces of butter. As you can see there, we have a nice consistency on the Hollandaise. To finish it, we'll add a little bit of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and some hot sauce or cayenne pepper. We want to make sure we whisk it good, incorporating all ingredients. We have a nice smooth consistency. To check our sauce, check it with the back of a spoon and see that it's nappe. Perfect consistency. I hope this video has been helpful for you in how to make Hollandaise sauce.